Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying compatibility and network settings. Make sure the bulb is powered and on, then open the Lifx app to update firmware if available. Once done, confirm your iOS device is on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi and signed into iCloud with Home enabled. Next, prepare to add an accessory. Keep your phone near the bulb and have the Home app ready so pairing proceeds without delays or unexpected prompts. You'll now add the bulb to Homekit. Tap the plus in Home, choose Add Accessory, and scan the Homekit setup code on the bulb or in the Lifx app. If you don't see a code, use the Lifx app to enable Homekit integration and reveal it. Make sure the bulb's LED blinks during discovery so Home can detect it. When prompted, assign a name and room. This helps Siri and automations know which light to control. Finish by testing control. Toggle the bulb in Home and ask Siri to change color or brightness so you confirm full functionality. If the bulb fails to appear or drops offline, restart the bulb and router, then toggle Wi-Fi on your iPhone and try adding again. If problems persist, perform the Lifx factory reset procedure via power cycles or the app, then repeat pairing. This reset often clears hidden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.